At Disaster Tech, we've been developing a web-based virtual EOC called DICE. Through our odds catalog, users of DICE are kept up to date with the latest information about an incident or event. DICE is integrated with the tools you use, so you can share information and communicate with other users, both within your organization as well as across organizations. The next step for Disaster Tech's ecosystem is developing the IDEAS Toolbox. IDEAS are composable building blocks designed to help a user interact with, explore, analyze, and modify data. IDEAS are Unix-like in that they can be described by two features. Feature 0. IDEAS have well-defined inputs and outputs so that they may be chained together to perform more complex tasks. Feature 1. Each tool is simple. It does one thing and does it well. We are building a toolbox for emergency managers to analyze data. IDEAS are intuitive, graphical, and language-like. IDEAS can be composed into scripts, which can be modified to match a changing situation. Here's an example of IDEAS in action. The 2020 wildfire season was unprecedented. NOAA's hazard mapping system releases a collection of points where various satellites have found a heat signature consistent with fire. Let's set up a workflow around that dataset. This pipeline is a composition of 4 IDEAS tools. The first is GridWork. GridWork creates a geospatial object within DICE which can be used by other tools. GridWork breaks down an input region into rectangles of equal ground area called grid boxes. Each grid box is a bucket that can hold other data. The second is Sorter. Sorter has 2 inputs. Sorter's first input is a GeoJSON feature collection. Sorter's second input is a collection of buckets such as grid boxes. The features of the feature collection are sorted and placed into the buckets. The third is Filter. Filter selects grid boxes according to some Boolean test. Filter then merges contiguous grid boxes into a single object, such as a fire event. The fourth is Notifier. It is a simple test and alert system. The test is, do these geographic shapes overlap? Here, if a fire intersects with a given municipality, an alert is sent. A similar procedure can reveal severe weather events from a set of wind speed or precipitation data. Same for using inventory data to describe and detect regions with shortages of critical supplies. Through DICE, a user can schedule workflows like this to be performed whenever a new dataset is pushed to odds or at regular time intervals. We plan to expand this particular workflow by using data from VIIRS, MODIS, and GOES to constrain grid boxes containing certain visual, spectral, or thermal signatures. Please take our survey and help us refine these tools.